everyone, I'm Draw So Easy Anime. What about today's fan tutorial? The painting is our Demon Slayer blade. Then first words. It is the coloring of a skin color in the whole picture. If we are light brown, we all use 132. Then the hero is a wolf. We painted number 27 in pink. Next is for all skin tones. Go for some shades. We use color 131 for normal skin tone. Then, after the control is over, we use color 25. But our color 25 is also. It can be used to shade other skin tones. Then our step is in black shadows. We directly use color 120 to fill it. Then some very small details. You can use a hug-up pen or 3-eye pen. Then Bean's hair is also black. Shadow part. Then we also go directly to fill it up. And his hair too. Then the next words we are coloring. Now it's time to paint its color. Then it's coloring the hair above. It is a base color directly with the number 69 color shot. Then go along the hair tail to carry out a small gradient. Then the hair is actually done. For Bean hair, we use WG4 to play a background color. Then use 5 and 6 to assist in making a gradient. Then we use a number to color for the male protagonist's hair. Next is the show. We matched the color with 38 for his hair. Then it is like 35 and 34. 30 for live followers. Next is the depiction of their eyes. I draw all together. Finally, a shadow color on WG. Then some highlights. Now they are all a depiction of a garment of the body. The actor's clothes. We use color 58 to fill the grid. Then 57 to do some gradients. In the end, if it is 61, it should be animated because he has some shadows in it. Then the rest of the grid, we fill it with WG6. Finally use WG9 to do some shading. Then the clothes on top. Also use the 3 colors of hair just now. Portrait. 20 for color is more, a color that is more orange-red. The answer is the actor's clothes. The overall color of his clothes. Let's do it again with color 91. Then also use color 120 to make another part of him. And next to it, VV. Let's draw it again. Then we paint it with WG 0.5 as a whole. Then use WG and WE to go hair it, to portray this feeling. Afterwards, we also use put some weight on those hairy donkeys. And then this later, with his clothes underneath. Then we're going to take a closer look. This line, where are his clothes? Don't paint the wrong color. Here I use WG to make a background. Then use 24 and 93 colors on top to describe the color. The color that appears this way will not be very bright. And now we're going to take all the weapons in their hands. Describe it. The last word is in the whole picture. The proportion is relatively large. What kind of wave is this? This feeling. Let's paint it with this color. These are also made up of various shades of blue. Well, for example, if it is one green, one blue, it is more and if the color is 67, it is a more natural blue. Then 70 and 76. These two are a darker blue. Then like color 185, it's a very light blue. Then here's a characterization of the word. Just need everyone's patience. Well, look at his original picture. Then go slowly for a coloring. I basically use a sin head for the characterization here. I think the sin head. It's also better at drawing details. Blurring is also better than this tutorial. It's almost over here. If you have any other anime characters you want to see up, some original scenes, everyone can go comment or private message our editor if you like it. Don't forget to comment. See you next time. Bye.